left your scarf on my chair. Blue silk still holding your name. I folded slow by the lamp, like I can fold back the rain. Your cup is still in the sink. One ring of tea on the rim. I keep touching the place where your hand used to fit. If I call your name tonight, will the walls answer me? Will the dark give you back one small piece of me? I wore your sweater today. It still smells like the spring. The sleeves hit my hands in that old comforting way. Outside the rain on the glass wrote your face in a stream, and every drop said my love in a language I knew. If I call your